In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Pipedrive workflow automation. If you're looking to save time and keep your process consistent, Pipedrive's automations can turn repetitive clicks into smooth, reliable workflows. We'll walk through getting to the right place, naming your automation clearly, choosing the trigger that starts it, and activating it so it runs on its own. First, open the automation tool. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account. In the top right corner, click your profile photo to open the menu. From there, go to Tools and Apps, then select Automations. This brings you into the automation dashboard where all your workflows live. Click the button labeled Plus Automation, or it may appear as Create Workflow, depending on your view. This opens a fresh automation for you to set up. Next, give your automation a name that makes the purpose obvious at a glance. A clear, descriptive name will help you and your team understand exactly what it does and when it runs. For example, you could call it New Deal, Create Follow-up Activity. Short, consistent naming conventions are a great habit, especially as your library of automations grows. Now choose a trigger. A trigger is the event that starts the automation, so think about what should kick off this workflow. You can choose a trigger related to a deal, a person contact, an organization, an activity, a lead, or a project. There's also a date trigger if you want the automation to run on or relative to a specific date field. For instance, you might trigger when a new deal is added, when a person is created, or when a project moves forward. If timing matters, a date trigger can handle reminders ahead of a renewal date or a scheduled milestone. Pick the trigger that best matches the moment you want this automation to begin, and make sure it aligns with how your team actually works inside Pipedrive. Before you turn it on, take a moment to review the automation steps shown in the builder. Confirm that the trigger you selected is correct, and that everything reads the way you expect. This quick check can prevent the automation from running at the wrong time or on the wrong records. When you're ready, click Save. Then switch the automation to active. Once active, it runs automatically whenever the trigger conditions are met. You can always return to this screen to pause or adjust it later if your process changes. That's it. Your Pipedrive workflow automation is set up and ready to save you time.